That is what you have to do. Our allegiance is to the Constitution and not to any human being or any other authority. Thank you.
Yes, I'll proceed to give the floor to Honorable Awuah Bafo. Please, you have the floor. Equally, one question.
Chairman. Mr. Chairman, I want to confirm a report that captures the nominee, and then I will ask my substantive question if you agree. Sir, on the 30th of September 2021, Myjoy Online reported a statement made by you whilst President of the Association of Judges and Magistrates at your conference, annual conference. I want to confirm if indeed you made that statement, then I'll proceed to ask my substantive question.
Honourable Member, do you have a copy of the report? You have to take a cue from your leader. Your leader will always bring a copy, and then we show the nominee what you are referring to.
Sure, my lady. But Mr. Chairman, do you mind if
electronic copy?
It's an electronic copy.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. It states as follows: it is sad that judges in Ghana will have to fight every year for their legitimate allowances to be paid. It is sad that the leadership of the association has to personally trek to the Ministry of Finance, Controller and Accountant General's Department. We have to fall on friends at the seat of government to push for such allowances to be paid, he said on Wednesday. Please, do you confirm making the statement?
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Okay. Now, in view of this, how is judicial independence compromised? Does this affect judicial independence?
No, Mr. Chairman. This is just simply about lobbying. Lobbying, which everybody does if you want something. Thank you.
Now, follow up, Mr. Chairman. If a friend of yours who you lobbied at the presidency also comes to lobby